So selling and buying styles. All customers do not buy the products in the same way. The buying styles vary depending upon the buyer's capability to pay, the quantity of purchase, the buyer's ability to take risk, the bargaining power of the buyer in the market, the competitive landscape in the industry, and many other factors. So buying styles and selling styles are patterns of the behavior that buyer or salesperson uses by habit in order to accomplish their respective goals. So a customer walks into a retail setting, looks away from the salesperson and picks up a written brochure to read. The salesperson reaches out their hand, warmly introduces themselves to the customers, and the customer turns toward the salesperson. So it could be coldly says, "I am fine. I just want to look around." So that this is the example. So how you will communicate and how you are behaving. So that will come under the selling styles. People who are adventurous and have a high risk capital are the overnight buyers. These buyers are the innovators in the marketplace who mostly buy an impulse and consider non-functional reasons for making a choice. There is another set of people who buy only after everybody started using the product. These laggards start buying a product when another new product is on the store. So selling skills, while it is very difficult to find out a set of characteristics for guaranteed success in selling, sheer hard work, working smartly in business, the ability to set goals, the level of maturity, communicative skills, dependability, honesty, integrity, and a possession of requisite selling skills can make a successful salesperson. So these skills can be natural to some people or also may be trained or practiced. So the salesperson should have the communicative skills. He must be in integrated persons like honesty, and he must be the possession of the requisite selling. So he is the person who is self-motivated. He is the person who is like, he is the person who should have the problem solving skills. So every salesperson has a different approach when making a sales call. So individual approaches are important. They are what help you relate to a customers on a human level. So however, studies shows there are certain selling skills that are common among the sales representatives, otherwise known as the 7 skills every salesperson should have. So commonly it is said that every salesperson should have the 7 common skills, that is communication skills, active listening skills, persuasive skills, collaboration skills, self-motivating skills, and problem solving skills, and lastly negotiation skills. That is the important skills, we can say that.